What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So first of all, everybody in Malaysia, please stay safe, stay at home, work at home, and stay safe during this COVID-19 pandemic. And today I'll be working on a friend's Toyota 86, which has already been coated before. The car is actually due for maintenance, but because most of the shops are not open, so he opted to send the car over to me for me to do the maintenance on the car. So I'll be doing a decontamination, I'll be doing waxing and washing and cleaning on the car just to sanitize everything. So remember to like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, press on the bell button for post notifications, and I'll see you guys at the end of the video. Yo guys, so I'm done with the Toyota 86. So there was a little bit of issue with the coating at the back section of the car because it looks like it's fading, and there is some watermark issues that I mean it's not the job to remove the watermarks, but paint wise everything is smooth, the wax has been put on and everything is nice. And then yeah, if you guys didn't notice, there was a big ass intercooler at the front grille. So it's actually a 300 horsepower Toyota 86, which is mad guys. So anyways, I'm just gonna end the video here because it's supposed to be a short video. So like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, press on the bell button for post notifications, and I will see you guys soon.